Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review this wireless doorbell extender with receiver that connects to an existing hardwired doorbell. So this is what it includes. It includes the door chime, and of course, you will have the receiver so you can actually connect it to the box on your house. This is what it includes. Okay, now let's go ahead and connect it. Here we're going to connect our cables, the red cables, to our receiver. And as you can see, the LED light, it's already turned on. So now let's just test it before we close this box. And we are ringing our tone, we are ringing the bell outside, and we already hear this one right here, okay? Which is really cool. It has different ringtones and you can change the volume as well. If you have a basement or a garage where you want to actually extend the sounds of your ring bell, then this is perfect for you. Okay, so and these buttons right here, you can just increase or decrease the volume and of course change the doorbell. Now to pair it, you will be pressing 5 seconds the volume button. Once that you hear that, it's ready to go. And you have all these ringtones right here. I think that it will be very useful for you if you have a basement or a garage or a third floor where you want to extend the doorbell.